My people, kidnapper don't carry security agents go location where they hide weapons. My people, if you not see wetin my eye see, hey, they bury weapons. They bury. No be shallow this, They dig. I know up till now we still dey on top of the matter. We still dey try find out how come they catch this person, wetin they do before they catch am. But so far they don't release this one now. I say I go bring am come una side because I wan make una see the same thing where I see. Many of una go, in fact, una fit even break some things now if una watch this video. But no problem, make una just relax. Abeg put the video make dem watch.
Ya sama.
Yawa da ya tafi rawa bindiga. An sama na yawa. Wanda da sallah. Aska mun nan ga wani ana. Akwai wani? Magazin ne haji. Yara bushe. Yara.
Kar su fashe.
Kar bon babu mai ne ba? Ba da mu ba zai tashi ba. Ko dinga yara baba ni zo mana da yara. Ka zo nan ka haska mana nan wajen. Kallo. Sawa wani. Wanda kula bindigan ka. Dole sai an kula ta dangaji. Sana kulle. Kun da ka rike dai koya. Yake da rike. Inu so duban guda biyu ko? Dauki dai ka hada da ba wace ce ba ta yi wannan mu wannan hankali ba. Kai komanda. Kai. Wannan ba cike ta ba. Hada mana wannan. Hada mana wannan adamu. Hada.
Wannan baya aiki.
Wai ba ki wannan?
Wannan ba ta aiki.
Kar ka buga. Duba mana nan wajen. Kar ka buga. Ka duba ko akwai guda daya.
Ko a toshe ne za ta saki.
A dauda kar ku buga. Kar ai gaggawa.
Kana buga so. Kai.
Wannan lilon kan nan ne.
Ba iyaka.
Lilan daure.
Now only me, I know understand. These people they laugh as they see money, they start they laugh. I know just they understand some kind of things. Una carry kidnapper, may go show you where bury weapons, and una they laugh at the end. I mean, why these people they laugh? No, me they try understand because if this thing is supposed to be serious mission, I know they see we're smiling or laughing. And hey, Nigeria, very unprofessional. See how that one even don't start a shoot for air. Una no even wear gloves. Una no, in fact, una even they tamper with the evidence we una get. As una catch this thing, no, I just they ask, no be my work. But I believe say they supposed go police station first. Or I don't know, they supposed get higher oga or something. There and direct, they start to open the thing. That one even don't start to shoot. What did this thing they supposed to now be say? All these people, all these so-called security agents, they know about this matter. They all work together. Because forget that thing. Even the kidnapper follow them, they smile. This one now, check am. Tomorrow, una go see am for streets. They waka freely. Freely. And only for Nigeria, it dey happen. From the way they see this matter, my people see all these people they inside. See how they jubilate, they laugh. Now, before you know, they don't release that one, they don't tie them. Nigeria is not safe. Nigeria is not safe. Many issues there for this country. What did they call them? Bandits, kidnappers. I don't know any name now they give them. They even get weapons past our own officials. Their weapons even sharp past the ones where we get. Like I don't understand how criminals weapons go better past our own. Like our uniform official. I know that's now no wonder they even call Nigeria third worst country. Third worst country. No wonder they call us. They give us that number. Our leaders now they go see this one. They go do like say they don't see anything. They go do like say I don't just understand. And even uniform people they suppose get what they call them people in high places. They get oga. They get this one. They go do this one now. They go come ask for their share instead of make they focus on what they suppose. Everything just dey wrong for this country. I beg as I dey see am. Be like say last we go just format Nigeria. or make we restart am, make person just press restart button, because many things just dey go wrong day by day. Abi na only me dey see am, abi una no dey see am. Anyway sha, I say make I bring am come. So abeg, for una wey know any, maybe una know any of them wey una just watch, biko, these people need to be reported straight off, even though we already know say nothing go happen, but abeg, they need serious cautioning, abi serious. No, this thing is very unprofessional. Una dey think of how people wey dey outside go dey see us, dey laugh us and all those things. Anyhow, I say I go bring am come. They catch kidnapper, they go show where they bury, they do this, all of them come, they that money now they don't share and finish, make una just forget am. You don't go. I beg make una start the drop for that comment section. Yes, I want to know what una think concerning this matter and our uniform people. And yes, we will get new TV presenter for this platform. And I'm not going to stress you again to think of who she be or where she from. Anyhow, my people, this Friday, yes, una here and where. Now for here, una go see the person. So start to drop the comment as usual and make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know what they happen now with our security official. And yes, click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. The girl where they promised 20,000 naira on the name of make she give pikin bleach. Okay, for my fellow Ghanaians, now they call her power zone, hypo, hair, all the, any name way you know, and that thing where they use wash white cloth, make it white wear. Yes, they pay this nanny. They say she they work for the pikin mama, because she always dey busy. Now so they come put am there. So yeah, they take care of this pikin. My people, my people. Make I call una again. My people, 20,000 naira. Now wetin they give this girl? Person from outside. I don't know wetin be the. I don't know whether the person get issue with the baby mama. Oh, I no just know. My people, they gather. They call this girl. They come strategize, they even sit down, they discuss, say, oh yeah, if you do this thing, I will give you 20,000. Sorry, I forget, my fellow Canadians, not mind me. The 20,000 naira now around, if I know the mistake, or maybe like 180 cedis or 200 cedis, that kind of amount. To keep person pikin, to give am hypo, make it drink. I bring and come. Una know say this kind of matter no dey pass me by, so I won't make una. Which English I won't use, but anyhow, shall use your eyes, use your ears to listen to everything very well. Join me, make we watch the video.
From where? From Obahoda. Can you get a watch? Can you even one? Here, I put in the according to go on one. It's a con one. Can I hear you hypogen? Chisom moya be. Chisom moya Obahoda. Can I chisom man or not? Opera. Where chisom your hypo, guinea go for again. Can you over again? A goal. Eh? 20 guinea. 20,000. Only get 20,000. Can you want hypo? Assignment awu. Eh? Onwe ihe ngila nwa na-azụ. Ngila mmụ ya ọma. Eh? Ngila mmụ ya ọma. Mma nwatala Chisom ahụ ọbụ okenye jikọrọ ha out. O mee ihe jikọrọ ha out. Okay. And he decided to keep going. Mmadụ ole ka eji igwere gị mee ọdụ ya? It is sure. It is sure. Ọ bụ eziokwu because o nwere gbara anyị na onwe onye ka igburu before. Chisom anya kwara gị je enyi. E ma be Chisom a. Ai je na ya kpọ ya Chisom. Okay.
Hey! Chineke. Because of 20,000. Now person deliberately carry person life and down. Bam. See forehead like puff puff wey no fry well. You carry, I don't understand. Wetin be 20,000? How long you want use? No. If na 200k sef, we fit start dey discuss. If it's 200k, we can start discussing. If it's 2 million, we can continue the discussion. 20,000. In fact, no amount of money sef is even enough for make person just carry person life. True, my people, this world is coming to an end. No, this world, the only thing wey still dey keep us like this, na just God in grace. This world don finish. Just imagine. No, I no wan make una just dey hear this matter because I dey talk am. Like, I wan make una imagine. Hypo, power zone. You pour am inside baby cup, that their cup wey dey use drink water, pour am, then give baby make drink. Ah, Jesus Christ. My people, I don't know, but in fact, I am tired. 20k wey before you close eye open am, e don finish. How many things you even wan buy? Wetin you go use that money do? Parents. Parents. No, una dey hear. If I come outside, they tell una say, make plans, take care of your children by yourself. I don't know, strategize or do something. Una go dey think say I just dey feel like to talk. Una dey see. Na person mama be this. We go hire nanny. He put am there. He do better. When it comes to see, if we dey talk about taking care of your children, I no just know, but abeg, I go happy if una fit dey in charge by una self, because nobody to trust. Nobody to trust. I for say, oh yeah, why not your family member? Yeah, family member self. In fact, those ones, they do worse than this one. To get nanny now, or to get house help, or I don't know, now like one tragedy. If you no dey careful, like if God no dey involved as you dey choose house girl or nanny now, you go just dey dig your ground by yourself. This world where we live, wicked people don full inside. The world now don become wicked. Abeg, make una shine una eyes. Hey, Jesus. For una wey dey ask, thank God say the pikin die. You know wetin be hypo? Just do like this, test am. If they no rush you immediately, you just die. Then imagine the pikin drink am. Baby, when immune system self never strong. So how that pikin wan survive this kind thing? Girls who na just dey pick. Some people, see, now this one even dey pay me. Some people no even need house girl. Some people na just laziness. Una no need am. Some of una know na say una no even need am. You no be say you dey go work, no be say you dey do anything, you no dey busy. Na just to sit down cross leg, hold remote control, dey press TV. Na the only thing wey dey do, but still you go see dey get house help. I no know how una wan do am, but una need to dey very, very careful. Now, why see, if una ask me, if una fit get chance to run una business by una self, you go better. That way, you know, say now you employ yourself, you get time to do anything wey you wan do. I don't know, but anyhow, I feel they wrong, but I just they look for ways. You understand? I just they look for ways where we feel just because my people things are becoming. If I say toxic self na understatement. Things are becoming devilish. Now, person pikin just die. Just imagine, wetin the mother go come do now? You go start afresh. What if this one self na the only pikin? We I don't know. What if this one self na the only chance we God give her wey she go born? We don't know. Now, why una need dey very, very careful. And as for this girl, hey, I don't want to know whether they ask you. I don't want to know whether they send you message. But you see this girl, you gonna drink that thing? Hey, that hypo, 10 bottles. You have to taste it. You they give innocent pikin. Now they talk enemies. This pikin now, which enemy he gets? Okay, maybe the mother. The mother is standing. You go drink am. But anyhow, I don't know whether now the conclusion where they conclude. But now for here, I go see here because now we dey on this matter and we dey wait till the gas talk now. Whether they go arrest them, whether they go punish her, we never know till they conclude. But now for here, una go here now. I repeat, now for here, una go here now. Why una need dey updated anytime? And how una go dey updated if you no click on that thing? I dey wonder self. My people, now the matter be this. Make the comment start the roll. And yes, una go soon get new TV presenter. enter for this platform. I no wan stress una again. Before I dey tell una think just guess she's from this, she's from that. Make una relax una nerves. Na from here una go see am live on Friday. Yes, so make una just stay tuned. And na why una need click on that notification bell. If not, una go miss everything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.